Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pratyaksh, good morning, Anmol. Good morning, Vamika. Good morning, Arhan. Good morning, Ankita. Good morning, Kunal. And 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 good morning, Ashraf. So, beta, we were doing what were we doing in the last class? We were doing divisibility test.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood how to check the divisibility of a number by 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Alankita, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, I am coming in 1 minute.
Okay, beta, please come in 1 minute, 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, Vamika is back in 1 minute. Very good. We appreciate Vamika. She's very punctual. She's very careful about time. So, Alankrita, beta, do you remember how to check the divisibility of a number by 6? Do you remember or not?
No, sir.
No, you forgot. Pratyaksh, do you remember?
Sir, by 6.
I remember.
Yes.
Sir, I know.
You know?
Sir, I remember Vamika.
No.
Sir, I
Sir, I
remember.
know Arhan.
Very nice. Chalo, beta, Pratyaksh, can you tell how to check the divisibility of a number by 6?
Sir, if we have to check the divisibility by 6, first we will check the number from 6. If it is from 2, sorry, the number is divisible by 2. So yes, and then if we will, and then after it is divisible, then we will check from 3. And if it is divisible, so it is also divisible by 6.
Yes, very good. So what we have to do? We have to do 2 steps. Only 2 steps are there. First, you all, acha, Vamika also wants to answer. Vamika, you also tell. Okay.
Sir, first we will take number and see if it is divisible by 2 and 3. So sir, it will come in table of sir. It will be divisible from 6.
Very good, excellent. So there are 2 steps to check the divisibility of a number by 6. The first step, that you check the divisibility of the number by 2. Second step, you check the divisibility of the number by 3. And if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means the number is divisible by 6 also. Got it, all of you? Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Let's do an example. Alankrita, have you understood? Beta? Yes. Beta, answer me, all of you. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Alankrita beta समझ में आ गया आपको? You were having problem, now you have understood or not? We are going to discuss example now.
Yes, sir.
Can you all please start your video, everyone? Please keep your video on. It is my request. It makes me feel good if your videos are on. It makes me feel confident. I feel confident when your videos are on. Very nice. You all are excellent children. Very confident. Very intelligent. I have never seen such intelligent children in my life. All sitting together. Alankrita is smiling. Beta, why are you smiling? Do you? Am I not telling the truth, Alankrita?
Yes, sir.
Am I telling the truth or not?
No, sir.
No, I'm not telling the truth. Why? Why do you think so?
Sir,
Because. Yes, because. Asha, matlab, that means you don't believe that I am telling the truth. You don't believe that you are intelligent. Do you think so? No, believe me, I really believe that you all are very, very intelligent students. So अब जब मैं इतना बड़ा था आपके बराबर 4th class में, I was not that intelligent at all. I was not aware about all these things, LCM and factors and multiples and such difficult maths you all are studying. मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था. I was not this much intelligent. Plus, I was not also aware so much. My GK was also not good. So I feel jealous of you sometimes. How can students be so intelligent these days? So yeah, maybe
Sir,
I.
Mamika is also laughing.
Mamika, you are also laughing. Mamika, do you believe me or not? Or you are laughing because you are happy, or you are laughing because you don't believe me? There are two reasons. There could be two reasons. One reason could be that you are happy. That's why you are laughing. You're smiling. Second reason could be that you are not believing. Yes.
Sir, I will choose second one.
You choose second one. You don't believe me. You don't believe me. Arey, how can I make you believe? Tell me, is there any way to make you all believe? No? अच्छा, what do you all think? कि मैं intelligent था इतना आपके बराबर जब मैं था या नहीं था? What do you think?
Sir, you are. Sir, you are.
You are. नहीं, अब तो चलो ठीक है, थोड़ी बहुत अकल आ गई है बिकॉज मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, थोड़ी बहुत तो आ गई है. बट जब मैं आपकी एज में था, डू यू थिंक दैट आई वाज दिस मच इंटेलिजेंट और नॉट?
Sir, I think you are.
I was.
Yes, sir.
No. Believe me, I was not this much intelligent at all. I was not this much smart, this much. Actually, उस समय गूगल भी नहीं होता था. There was no internet, no Google. The only thing that was available was books. जो भी कुछ पढ़ना है सब बुक से पढ़ना है. No YouTube, no Google, no internet, no mobile phones, no computer even. There was no computer also. Very rare cases people used to have computer in those times. So I'm a very old person. My age is 99 years. अनहान ने अपना सिर फोड़ लिया ये बात सुन के.
Sir, you are lying.
नहीं, ये बात मैंने सच में, मैं सारी बातें
Sir,
सच
you
में
will be sir, you would be not be above 40. You would be up under 40.
नहीं, I never tell a lie.
No,
Always
sir.
always speak truth.
No,
Sir, in
sir.
very rare cases in India, people live till 101 years, 101 years.
No, sir. 50 or 60 only.
50 or 60. Oh.
You told a lie.
No.
No, sir, would be under 40 or 45.
Sir, now I don't believe.
चलो भाई, क्या कर सकते हैं, बच्चे बिलीव नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन ही करते हैं, ऐसा करते हैं. Let's leave this topic. Let's start doing the example. Okay, so we were doing divisibility test. The topic is going on. I'm trying to improve my handwriting. Working very hard on my handwriting also. So let's take an example of a number. I am writing the number here on the board, 8454. Suppose this is the number 8454. Okay. So we have to check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. Okay, I'm giving you all a chance first. 2 minutes मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. Just check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. After that, I will be explaining it again. Okay, just one example. उसके बाद we will move on to the next test. अभी हमको 6 से check करना है. All of you, please start checking whether this number is divisible by 6 or not, and please give your answer in the chat box, yes or no. ठीक है? Only yes or no in the chat box. So some of you have given the answer, some are still left. Don't give your answer on the mic, okay? Give your answer in the chat box only, so that I can see that how many of you have understood it properly. My task is to make you all understand the topic. So for that I need the feedback. Feedback कैसे मिलेगा मुझे जब मुझे पता चलेगा कि किसने सही करा है. Okay, so Arhan, Vamika, and Anmol have given the answer till now. Some of you are remaining. Arshika, Ashray, Alamkrita, Mubashira, Kunal, Pratyaksh. Please give your answer in the chat box. Yes or no? बस इतना सा बताएंगे whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. Yes or no? Kunal has given the answer. Beta, doesn't matter if your answer is right or wrong. I want an answer from everyone. ठीक है? Please give your answer. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ आपके आंसर्स बहुत देर से. अरे वाह, वामिका ने तो दिन में पूरा मेथड भी टाइप कर दिया. देखिए. I hope you all are trying. Pratyaksh, your answer in the chat box. It is missing in the chat box. Alankrita, Mubashira,
Sir, we have to tell divisibility by 3, 2 or 6.
we have to check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And 6 से check करने के लिए there are 2 steps. हमें वैसे तो 6 से check करना है, but for 6 we have to follow 2 steps. Ultimately we have to check by 6, but 6 से करने के लिए 2 steps follow करने होते हैं. The first step is you have to check the divisibility of this number by 2. 8 4 5 4 को पहले 2 से check करो. Is it divisible by 2 or not? बताइए yes or no. Yes, because the number is even. The last digit of the number is 4, तो 2 से divisible है. Yes.
Yes.
Now you will check by 3 also. This number is divisible by 3 or not. कैसे check करते हैं? 8 4 5 4 की divisibility.
By adding.
Let's check by 3. Yes, we add all the digits. 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. What do we
21.
get? We get 8 plus 4.
21.
12. 12 plus 5. 17 plus 4. 21. 21 is a multiple of 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
Yes,
divisible by 3. तो दोनों टिक लग गए. 2 से भी divisible है, 3 से भी.
Yes, sir.
Is the number divisible by 6? The answer is
Yes, sir.
yes. Answer is yes.
Full method, but my answer was wrong.
So now have you all understood or not? बस मुझे इतना बता दो. Have you all understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Any doubt?
Understood.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
One by one I am taking the names.
No, sir.
Anmol has understood.
Yes, sir.
Arhan ने तो आंसर दे दिया था पहले ही. Yes. Alankrita understood. जल्दी बोलते जाओ बेटा, फटाफट. अलंकृता लग रहा है मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट कर रही है. लंच और ब्रेकफास्ट. or something else? Arshika, understood, yes or no? Vamika has understood. आश्रय, अच्छा दो बच्चे समझ गए हैं. Please give a thumbs up in the with the help of those emojis. Emojis वाला ऑप्शन होता है ना इसमें, उसमें जरा thumbs up कर दो सारे बच्चे जिनको समझ में आ गया. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on and check the divisibility of the numbers by 9. How to check by 9? Let's start. 9 का टेस्ट करें. बहुत इजी है 9 का टेस्ट, बिल्कुल 3 की तरह.
Yes,
So let's take a number. Suppose 8193. This is the number. And we have to check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. किससे चेक करना है? 9. बिल्कुल सेम है. 3 का टेस्ट आप लोगों को आता है? 3 वाला आता है ना सारे बच्चों को? बिल्कुल सेम है 3 का. 8 add all the digits. 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3. What do you get? 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 3 21. The sum is 21. Is 21 a multiple of 9 or not? क्या ये 9 का multiple है? 9 के टेबल में आता है? नहीं आता.
no, sir.
So the answer is no. Answer is not divisible by 9. ठीक है? Easy है?
Okay, sir.
Is it
Yes,
easy?
sir. This is very easy.
चलिए, so I am giving you all a number. You all will check the divisibility of this number by 9. ठीक है? 546372. Check the divisibility of this number by 9. Everyone, give your answer in the chat box. जल्दी से. Okay, so some of you have sent the answer. Yes. Vamika has given. Anmol has given. Arhan has given the answer. 3 of you. What about the rest of you? The rest of you. बेटा बच्चों रेस्पॉन्स नहीं दोगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? फिर तो मुझे पलक मैम को कॉल करना पड़ेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगता। You all are so good as children. मैं पलक मैम से आपके लिए कुछ बात करूँ, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। I will not feel good. या फिर मुझे पेरेंट्स को कॉल करना पड़ेगा, बच्चे रिप्लाई नहीं करते क्लास में, अच्छा थोड़ी
Sir,
लगता
27.
है। वो तो अच्छी बात है। अरहान ने तो दे दिया था आंसर।
Sir, it is 27.
The sum is 27. Sum of all the digits 27. Is 27 a multiple of 9? 27 is a multiple of 9. Yes. So
Yes.
this number is divisible by 9 or not?
Yes,
Yes, the number is divisible by 9. Itna easy test है। चलिए, so now the easiest one is coming. How to check the divisibility of a number by 10? 10 से check करना है।
sir. Easy peasy.
Suppose the number is 5620. Is this number divisible by 10 or not? बहुत easy है. Just look at the last digit. If the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Yes. Next one.
Sir, it is very easy.
2500. The number is divisible by 10 or not? बताइए.
Yes.
Again yes.
Sir.
Because the last digit is 0. ठीक है, yes हो गया. Again let's check one more number. 2607. Is this number divisible by 10 or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
Answer is no, because the last digit is not 0.
7.
Last digit is not 0. The answer is no. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Maybe move on to the next question. Next type. I mean, next test. खत्म हो गई क्या?
Sir, please give one question of this 10 one.
10. Okay. Give your answer in the chat box. All of you. I'm giving you a number. You have to tell whether this number is divisible by 10 or not. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Is this number divisible by this? It is such a big number. इतना बड़ा number. Is this number divisible by 10 or not? This number is divisible by 10. Amika? No.
Sir, by mistake I have written this.
Yes, you thought that I will stop here. है ना? बाद में मैंने 4 भी लिख दिया.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा तो चालाक हूँ मैं भी. इतना चालाक नहीं हूँ आप लोगों के बराबर, लेकिन थोड़ा सा. So the last digit is 4.
Sir, please check my test.
Yes, your answer is correct, beta. Arhan, I saw your answer.
Nope, a big no.
Yes, I saw it. Correct answer. ठीक है, the answer is no. Because the last digit is 4, the answer is no. It is not divisible by 4. Sorry, not divisible by 10. Simple सी बात है. Okay, just one more is left. Divisibility test by 5. 5 का और रह गया है. Okay. How to check? कोई बच्चा बताएगा हाउ टू चेक डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर बाय 5? किसी को पता है? Again,
Sir, I can tell.
yes, Anmol, please.
I can tell in Hindi.
Okay, just try in English. If you don't, if you are not able to explain in English, then
If last digit is 0 or 5, then so 5 is divisible.
So the number is divisible by 5. Very good. Correct. If the last digit of the number is 5 or 0, ये जो last digit है, if the last digit of the number is 5 or 0, for example, this case, 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. दोनों जगह हम बोलेंगे yes. अगर 5 और 0 की जगह if there is any other digit, for example, in this number 7624, is this number divisible by 5? The answer is no. यहाँ पर yes है, यहाँ पर भी yes है, यहाँ पे no है. Why? Because the last digit is not 5 or 0. या तो 5 हो या 0 हो, दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है. That means the answer is no. Easy or not? 5 का भी easy है. Easy. So I'm asking one question, one example I'm giving you. You all will give your answer in the chat box. ठीक है? 256045. 256045. Is this number divisible by 5 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
The answer is yes, because the last digit is 5. Therefore, the number is divisible by 5. One more. Again, give your answer in the chat box. 7983000. Is this number divisible by 5 or not?
Yes. The answer is yes.
The answer is yes. The number is divisible by 5. Answer is yes. Why? Because the last digit of the number is
0.
Okay. So yes. Okay, so some examples I'm writing on the board just for a revision or overall revision. Okay, you all will keep on giving your answers in the chat box. Just 4 questions. Check the divisibility of this number by 9. By 6. By 5. By 3. So check the divisibility of all these numbers by the given numbers and give your answers in the chat box one by one. Write the question number also when you're giving the answer. For example, if you're giving the answer for the first one, write the question number first, 1, and then your answer, yes or no. Okay? Okay. Give all the answers in the chat box.